special package from China, and this time it is Apple's upcoming folding phone, the iPhone Ultra plastic mock-up. Yeah, again, not a real device, but it's gonna give you the best look at the upcoming iPhone Fold along with an initial size comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and iPhone 17 Pro Max. On the left side where the hinge is, you get this very sharp and boxy design, but on the right side the corners are rounded, so it almost feels like two different design languages combined into one phone. Now here's the Samsung Z Fold 8 Wide in comparison, and both phones are actually very similar in the overall size. Samsung however does look a bit more symmetrical because it keeps that boxy shape all around with symmetrical bezels on the front, while Apple's design is a mix of sharp edges with softer curves. Now unfolding it for the first time, and wow, this is a better form factor for playing games and watching movies without massive annoying black borders. This I guess is a 4:3 or 5:3 aspect ratio, can use it horizontally or vertically, however you want. Interesting part is a tiny hole punch selfie camera on the cover display instead of a dynamic island. The inner display however doesn't seem to have any camera at all. Some rumors are Apple could be using an under display camera, or there may be no selfie camera on the inner screen at all. And honestly that does make sense. There are dual cameras, mic and LED flash on the back, iPhone Air style camera module, and on top you get volume keys. That is a strange location. There's power key / touch ID and camera control on the side. USB-C port is at the bottom. Here's the 6.9-inch iPhone side by side, and the iPhone Fold is shorter, wider when folded, but when unfolded it's slimmer and taller. Yeah, of course dimensions can still change before launch, but if this mock-up is anywhere close to the final product, then we already have a good idea of what Apple's foldable iPhone could feel in hand compared to the standard iPhone.
My new jacket! Earth can be a little seedy. Nothing weird going on here.
The iPhone Ultra will be powered by Apple's A20 Bionic chipset based on 2nm TSMC process. It may have a 5800 mAh massive battery with 45 watts of fast charging, 48 megapixel dual main cameras, iOS 27 out of the box with new Siri and AI features baked in, and all the highest end specifications. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.